In the here and now, it is easy to identify somebody who is either has ulterior motives or is just outright nosy or is actually put in place to discredit people and ones around them. And as of like 16:34 hours yesterday, actually probably since 6 months ago, this has been a constant. So what do I take from that? Well, I am aware. And for a stranger to act like they know you is rather idiotic, because what they're doing is they're peddling and trying to influence the way they think. And we're not designed that way. We think for ourselves, and we will always think for ourselves. We may agree on things, we may disagree on things, but we are people of commonalities. We do not think alike. And that's what remains in the system this day and age. And probably if I was to average out the daily annoyance of the drones, the Stalker drones, I would say it averages out to about a pack of cigarettes a day. And if you're a heavy smoker, then it's 2 packs a day. And if your intentions are ill-willed, I'm aware of them. And anyone else that is being treated with that same disrespect most likely knows, if they have simple knowledge of people's personality. And it does help if you have a clear conscience and clear mind, and you're not addicted to drugs, alcohol, and other paraphernalias that are in the system today. Because it is the system that has destroyed the human race. And all for what? Paper that grows on trees and then somebody paints a picture on it to make it worth something? Nah. I am far from a material person, but we do protect our own. And that's what we'll continue to do. That's why we never really advance our society. We more like regress, advance, regress, advance, regress, advance. And that is the constant. But that's just what I think. Oh, that sounded familiar. That's what I think. Yeah, the first person that comes to mind is Russell Brand. Good work. Stay in touch. Stay tuned. I'm Dominic Raphael. This is Up in Canada. And once again, it's cheers.